Okay, so first, this is the problem of the first December. So just click on this image and you will get the problem. So we have to make the 3D model of the problem. So in this, so first we'll draw the cross section of this model. So just select the plane. We'll go to sketch. So we'll select the line. First click. This total is 33. So just enter 33. After then again select the line, and this is 32. You can adjust the dimensions, and this is 64. Now select the line, make line of 32, and this is 33. This is 13, and this is 20. This is 32. This is 64 plus 13 plus 13. So we will get the value directly, that is 90. You can adjust the dimensions. Now next, this is 32, and just join the last, this and this. So the cross section of those things is completed. Now we'll go for extrude. So just select the, so this is 13 plus 13 plus 18 plus 13 plus 13. So you can calculate, or you can enter the total value in the extrude. So just like the face, make extrude. So 13 plus 13 plus 18 plus 13 plus 13. So extrude is completed. Now there is a square hole on the top face. So just make a 30 cross 30, and so first we'll select this face. After then we'll go for sketch, and in this first make a square of 30 cross 30. Now adjust the position of this square. So this total is 70. So with the help of D, enter, you will get this dimensions, and this is 90. So you can measure the dimensions also. Simply adjust this. This is 20, and this one is 30. Now finish the sketch. Now just select this face. You can see in the operation there is a cut, so you can give the value of minus 13. So the square cut is completed. Now I have to make rib. So there are total 4 rib, as you can see. So we'll make a plane that will be offsetted plane. So just make offset plane with the distance of 13. We'll get this offset plane. Now we'll select this plane, and we'll create a rib this side. So just create a sketch. Now we'll project the lines on the selected plane. So just select this, and in this you will get a project. So we'll get this P. Just okay. Now you have to make a line on this. So first point, second point. So line is completed. Now just go for finish sketch. Now just select this line, go for rib, just give the dimension. So we'll go in one direction only, and you can see. So we'll go only for one direction, and the value is 13 mm. Just click OK. So like this we'll complete all remaining 3 ribs. So just select the plane. As you can see, this is the plane 1. On another side we'll make first the project line by selecting both the lines and just enter P, or you can go through this. Now create a line, just finish the sketch. Again for this we'll make the rib in one direction, and the value is 13. The value is 13. So it will take some times for updates. Just make OK. Like this the 2 remaining ribs will create, and we'll just select this new offset plane. The value is 13 plus 13 plus 18. So again we'll go for offset plane. We'll take a reference plane, select this reference plane, enter the value 13 plus 13 plus 18, and on this plane first we'll project the line on this plane. After then we'll create a line and we'll create the rib in one direction. The value is 13 mm. Again we'll select the plane and we'll go for sketch. First we will project the lines. Select the line, project line, and we'll create a line on this points. Finish the sketch, select the line, we'll go for rib, once the direction, value of this is 13 mm, and OK. So this problem is completed, and you can save this in the folder of semester 8 January 20. Thank you.